These cute little thumbprint cookies are not only sugar-free, gluten-free and low carb, but they can also be used as a part of your seed cycling routine for treating Pcos. All you have to do is take some sunflower seeds. To this, add some chia seeds, grind them well. Once you have made a fine flour, then add some salt, some baking powder and a sweetener of your choice. I am adding vanilla flavored stevia. If you are using a sweetener without vanilla, you have to add vanilla also. Anyway, mix it well, then add 1 egg and some sesame butter. It comes by the name of tahina. Tahina is basically ground up sesame seeds. Knead the dough well until it holds the shape. Once it holds the shape, then you can make cookies out of it. Now I am using this silicone mold, but you can easily roll the dough between the palms of your hand, flatten it and make a hole in the center with the help of your thumb. Now bake it till the cookies hold shape when lifted. Once you take it out of the oven, you will feel the urge to eat it immediately, but you have to let it cool down. Once it is cooled down, then we can decorate it with chocolate ganache. Anyway, if you eat it like I have written, you will see the texture is so crumbly and so chewy. So I decided to decorate my cookies with chocolate ganache. You can see the recipe of the chocolate ganache on our YouTube channel. Do subscribe our YouTube channel because our YouTube channel is filled with fantastic sugar-free, gluten-free, healthy recipes that are very good for weight watchers as well as for those who want to lose weight. And you can make your cookies without this hole in the center, or you can fill the hole in the center with anything you like jam or nuts or honey or whatever you like. And even this chocolate ganache that I'm using to fill up the center is made with 90% Lindt chocolate, which is keto friendly and low carb and actually very good for your health. I'm purposely not using the market chocolates which are made with refined sugars and processed oils. Anyway, as you might have noticed, I have made these cookies with sunflower seeds and sesame butter. These are the two seeds which are taken in the second half of the seed cycling. What is seed cycling and how to do it? You can view the whole video on our channel. You have to subscribe our channel to view all these wonderful videos that will save you a lot of doctor visits. Anyway, if you want me to make some biscuits or cookies using the seeds which are used in the first half of the cycle, that is flax seeds and the pumpkin seeds, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll make those also for you. Anyway, you can make these cookies pre-hand and store them and eat them as snacks whenever you are feeling like eating something and you don't want to eat some junk food. You can take them to your office, you can give it to your kids as a snack in their lunchbox. Anyway, do tell me if you made them, what filling did you put in the center of your cookies. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.